Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching the week that was with Vishnu Agarwal, where I bring before you all those news from the last week that would not only keep you updated but also help you in identifying the hidden opportunities in the stock market. So the biggest news this week has to be that all Indian indices took a sharp fall and erased all gains made in the previous week. Nifty closed at 16,190, approximately 2.4% down during the week. Sensex closed at 54,265, down 2% for the week. Bank Nifty closed at 34,479, 2.25% down. All sectoral indices closed in reds. US indices registered their largest decline in the month of May. Let's explore in detail what are the 5 reasons behind this prevailing bearish sentiment this week. Number 1, the concerns on the global economy and inflation. We are witnessing a combination of slowing growth and rising commodity prices across numerous economies. These are signs of stagflation, where growth stalls, prices keep rising and unemployment rises as well. Key data on USA Consumer Price Index is slated to release on Friday 10th. If the rise in price as per these data is higher than expected, then it is speculated that Fed Bank of US will hike interest rate more aggressively than previously planned. While higher interest rate will control inflation, it will hamper economic growth and employment. RBI policy responding to the concerns of inflation. On Wednesday, RBI raised the repo rate by 50 basis points to 4.9%. This hike comes right on the back of another hike made during an unscheduled announcement in the month of May. The central bank is attempting to control countrywide commodity price inflation and also withdraw commodity policies made during the pandemic. Crude oil prices keep rising. This is the third big reason why we saw a sharp fall in the Indian stock market. Oil prices have been escalating the entire week as demand from China is increasing as COVID restriction is in the country. However, supply remains tight due to the geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine and sanctions on Russian oil supply. This week, Brent crude traded over $120 per barrel, up 22 cents. Friends, India imports 80% of its oil demand. Therefore, rising oil price will put high pressure on India's current account deficit, on the country's inflation level as well as the Indian rupee. As of now, India has been mitigating this issue by importing crude oil, cheap crude oil at heavy discounts from Russia. The fourth biggest reason could be the COVID wave 4. This week there was growing concern regarding rising COVID cases in India. The country registered its highest daily spike in 3 months with 7,584 new COVID cases on Thursday. Maharashtra and Kerala and NCR have recorded the highest number of cases in terms of states. A higher number of cases would have an adverse effect on the market sentiments. The last and the fifth big reason why the Indian stock market fled could be the FII continued outflows. This week, FII continued to pull out money out of Indian stock markets. The net outflow for the month of June till date is rupees 14,841 crores. On a rolling 12-month basis, FII have sold worth $22 billion in the first 5 months of 2022, the highest ever recorded in the country's history. FII outflow contributes to weakening of the Indian rupee, which hit a lower of 77.81 to the US dollar this week. Therefore, because of these reasons we just discussed, the outlook for Indian stock market has once again turned negative in the short term. Levels to watch for now will be the psychological level of 60,000 in Nifty on the downside and 16,430 resistance level on the upside. To know more about the support and the resistance, do watch my series Nifty Kya Lagta Hai to know more about the Nifty charts. I hope you have subscribed the channel. If not, please do it. See you next time, same place. Till then, have a happy weekend. Thank you.